Can you clean pool filters in your dishwasher? The truth is that you could, and it's not even a terrible idea because dishwashing detergent would be specifically good for cutting through grease and oil. And that's what's wrong with a pool or hot tub filter when it's dirty. It's not so much the physical debris that's accumulated, it's the grease and oils that saturate the paper. And automatic dishwasher detergent is a great way to cut through that. So, in theory, the hot water environment from your dishwasher combined with that automatic dishwasher detergent would do a good job at degreasing your filter. I really can't speak about whether I would want all of the stuff that comes off of a hot tub or pool filter being inside the thing that I do my dishes in. I don't think those two things are congruent. That's up to you to decide. But if it were me, I probably would not wash my filters in the dishwasher just because it's still not going to finish the job for you. You're still going to have to manually rinse out in between the pleats after the degreasing is over. So, why get your dishwasher that dirty? What you would be far better doing is just fill up a 5 gallon bucket with hot water, fire some dishwasher detergent in there, and put your filters into that. Once it's come down to room temperature, rinse thoroughly in between the pleats with a garden hose, and that's the best way to clean pool and hot tub filters. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.